Hello everyone, in this video I will be making baby rattles. I received some beautiful colored veneers from Roarockit Europe. I'll put a link in the description to their website, go check them out. For the rattles I'm planing down my lumber to 9mm and 4mm. Drill a 35mm hole with a Forstner bit as deep as you can. Then I used my Dremel as a router and I made the hole 7mm deep. I'm sorry about my voice, but I have a cold. Mark on the side of the block where the hole is located. Every block exists out of 9mm wood and 4mm wood. At first I was using washers for the rattling sound, but I wasn't happy with it, so I ordered some steel balls online. As you can see, I also routed the circle on the other side of the block, but only for 2mm deep. Glue the two sides together with wood glue. Now we'll use the beautiful veneers from Roarockit. Thank you Roarockit Europe. Transfer the shape of the block to the veneer and cut it out on the bandsaw. Glue on the veneer on both sides of the block. Always use enough clamps, even on a small piece. Now it's time to cut out all the rattles on the bandsaw, or you can use a scroll saw if you have a good one. Sand every rattle smooth on the belt sander and spindle sander. Now it's time to do some final sanding by hand. Finish with a few coats of beeswax and your rattles are ready to rattle.